Hi friends, good morning. Today I am teaching the subject economics. I am Rajshekhar, principal and junior lecturer in economics. Today we are going to the new topic first year economics syllabus. First year economics syllabus. The first total this economics first year 10 topics, 10 lessons total. This intermediate first year total 10 lessons. The first is the introduction to economics. Introduction to economics, the first lesson. This is very important lesson in this first year. This lesson is the total 5 definitions are there. Welfare definition and scarcity definition and introduction. So both are topics are there. And the law of goods and free goods and economic goods and consumer goods. So both are explained this introduction to economics. And also the second lesson is theories of consumer behavior. Theories of consumer behavior. These are both the consumer behavior. This is explained only the consumer behavior. In this lesson, one main, the 10 marks topic is the law of diminishing marginal utility. It is very important question. This lesson, the law of diminishing marginal utility, this 10 marks question, it will comes on every annual examination. This is 10 marks question of the law of diminishing marginal utility. It will come any number of annual examination coming this question. So this is the very important lesson. And the third lesson is demand analysis. Demand analysis. These are the main topics: demand functions and also demand supply and also the demand elasticity. So both are topics, and also indifference curves is the main topic explained this demand analysis lesson. And also the fourth lesson is the production analysis. Is a very important lesson in this one 10 marks question. Are there variable properties? The variable properties, the law of variable proportion is the main 10 marks question. It will come on annual examination. Is very important topic, the law of variable proportions. And also fifth lesson, market analysis. Market analysis. It is very important topic, market analysis. These are 3 markets are there. So one is the local market, the second is the national market, and the third is the international market. So local and national and international. If any goods to supply the local market and also national market and also supply to international market, the price rate also same, the available in market. Some also local area price rate also lowest price rate. These are only the local goods also available in local market. and also sugar and wheat and rice also national market, and also the international market also to supply the main goods gold and platinum and silver. So both are is the international market. In this lesson, the market analysis, one main important question, perfect competition. Perfect competition. It will comes on annual examination 10 marks. It will comes on annual exam. Every annual examination, the 10 marks question, perfect competition. And also, the another lesson is theories of distribution. Theories of distribution is also main important topic also available. These are only 5 marks questions also coming. It will come on annual examination. It will come on 5 marks questions. And also the 7th lesson is the national income analysis. Is the only the main the topic is national, the calculate national method, the various of calculating national income is the main 10 marks question. It is very important lesson. And also the 8th lesson, theories of employment and public finance. These are also main employment opportunities. This is also main, the Keynes theory also very important. The Keynes theory is the main question in this lesson. And also the next, the money and banking and inflation. Money, banking and inflations. In this lesson, the money of functions and also how to use the money, the number of money also available, currency notes and coins also available in this market. Suppose currency notes and also present available in markets 5 rupees and also available, and also 10 rupees, 20 rupees and 50 rupees and also 100 rupees and 500 currency notes. And now the available new currency note 2000 rupees currency notes also available in this market. And also coins. So now available in 1 rupee coin and also 2 rupee coins and also 5 rupees and also now available in 10 rupees coins also available in this market. And also the another topic is in this lesson, banking. So banking is the main topic in India. One is the main RBI is the Central Bank of India. This is also Bankers Bank and also the main central bank, Reserve Bank main office in Mumbai, in central office in Mumbai, and also the commercial banks and agricultural bank also available this lesson. And also inflation. Inflation is the main topic. How to types of inflation is very important question. Types of inflation. So one is the types of inflation. One type is the creeping inflation. This is creeping, and second is the running inflation. So third is the jumping inflation, and fourth is the galloping inflation. Some price rates also changed the some years. Suppose now the rate 2016 one price rate of goods rate, suppose 10 rupees. in 2016 market price rate 10 rupees. Now it's the same goods rate, changed the increased the rate is in 2017 20 rupees. And also now the elaborated in 2018 the same price rate of goods 50 rupees. And the 2019 market price rate, the same goods price rate is 50 rupees. And increased the now 2020 100 rupees. So the price rate is 2016 only 10 rupees of good rate. But now it's the same goods rate 100 rupees are available in market. So first of all the inflation is creeping. The slowly increase of the goods rate. And also 17 also 20, that is the running. And the 2018 50 rupees, that is the jumping. And 2020 is the galloping. So present now the price rate is 100. So these are inflation means the change of goods rates. Change of goods rate is inflation. The last topic is basic statistics of economics. These are only diagrams, bar diagrams and multiple diagrams under economic statistics and pie diagrams also explained this the basic statistics of economics. This total first year economics syllabus, the annual examination module, the questions also 10 marks also here in paper. You are writing 3 only 10 marks questions. The total 30 marks also 10 marks. And also another types of marks 5 marks question. This write your annual examination your 8 questions. The total 40 marks. And also the 2 marks also available this annual examination. You are write only 15 questions. Total 30 marks. So 10 marks also 30 marks, 5 marks also 40 marks, and also 2 marks also 30 marks. The totally the first year economics paper 100 marks. The total the first year 100 marks. So these questions, the first year syllabus, the main introduction to economics. The second is the theories of consumer behavior. The third is the demand analysis. And the fourth is the production analysis. And the fifth is the market analysis. And the sixth is the theories of distribution. And the seventh is the national income analysis. And the eighth question is the theories of employment and public finance. And the ninth lesson is money and banking and inflation. The last lesson is the basic statistics of economics. But thank you, students. You are perfectly prepared your first year subject economics. This is very critical subject and also very analyzing subject of first year economics. Thank you to all.